We're going to use simple shapes to sketch and paint a cowboy hat. I'm going to use my mechanical pencil to get started. And the thing to remember is mine turns out kind of looking a little bit more like a fedora instead of a cowboy hat, but the principle is still there. We're going to sketch a little square and then a circle on the front end and then an oval on the back. And that's really pretty much it. So how you connect all these shapes will kind of determine the final result of your cowboy hat, but it's just shapes. And I'm just refining and kind of going over my sketch until I'm happy with it. And I think my little pre-sketch on the left actually turned out a little bit better because I think I needed the front end to be out there more. But I mean, you can tell what it is, and that's one of the things about my painting that I share. I really want you to see real life, how I'm working through the process. Sometimes I do practice ahead of time, but not usually. Usually when you see me sketching or painting, it's the first or possibly the second time I've done it. I mean, this is the second time I tried the hat. And all I did was just look at the shapes, and that kind of helped me determine what to draw. So now I'm taking my pencil art brush pen, which is my favorite, and I'm sketching over. And here's where I get, I feel like I could have adjusted just a little bit this front part right there. I feel like it was a little too short to really give that cowboy hat look. But again, I mean, you know what it is. And I think it turns out pretty good. So now we're going to be using some burnt umber, I think is what's in my palette there. And I don't think I mix really anything with it, but I'm going to kind of do some wet on wet to give it a textured look. I don't want it to be like a flat color. I don't think it looks as nice. So I drop in some color and then I blot it up. And I fiddle with this quite a bit. I go in with the color again, and then I'm trying to add just different colors to give it different depth and dimension. And I even add in like some purple, and then I was like, yeah, no. So I just blot that up with a little piece of paper towel, and then I go back in with a little bit stronger value of that burnt umber and fill in the rest of the hat. Now I do leave the band not painted because I'm going to go back in with some pyrrole orange and I think some burnt quinacridone burnt orange and fill in the hat band. And then I take my brush pen again, kind of go over some of those lines. I was trying to fix the front end so that it was longer, but I really couldn't do that. I really couldn't fix it. So, you know, it's just one of those things where I'm like, okay, well, I mean, it looks like a hat. So thumbs up for that. And then I add a little bit of a shadow. And really, y'all, that's about it. Just look at the shapes and try to sketch for what you see from the shapes. That's how you make a cowboy hat. Thank y'all so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate the company. And I hope you come back soon for another tiny Tex-Mex painting. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.